Hi, my name's Chris, and welcome to this tutorial. In the activity library, as well as on a client profile, you can create your own activities and save them to your library to reuse later. Let's say you want to send a question to your clients. You click on Question, and you can input your question. You can also define how you want your clients to answer. Do you want them to reply by text, with a number, or is no reply needed? Once you've defined that, you can add your activity to the library to reuse later. You will find your activity at the bottom of the library or by clicking on the Custom filter on top of the library. Do you have worksheets, documents, or images you'd like to send to your clients? It works the same way. Click on the appropriate file type, easily drag and drop it into the window, and define the response type. Save it to your library and you're all set.